Hi there, here are some beautiful beads, flowers ideas for you. So take a wire, bend it and add beads like this. Now twist it like this, add more beads. In this way we are going to make the branches, and here your branches are ready. Now twist them and your beautiful flower vase is ready. In the next one we are going to repeat the same process, but we are going to add flowers in it. So use a soft wire so that it is easy for you to bend it or to twist it like this. Now add flowers and twist. It is very easy process, but it looks very beautiful when it is ready. So make branches according to your choice, and this is it. In the next one we are simply repeating the same process. We are also using flowers in it as we have used in the previous one. If you will use a soft wire, it will be very easy to twist it. So this is gonna be the process. Twist and keep on repeating the same process. In this way your beautiful branches will be ready, and your beautiful flower vase is ready. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Love you all.